I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Trader Academy's Daily Review. Today is Monday, July 10, 2023. Hope you had a good weekend here. So we had this big bullish candle here. We first came down, we opened up Sunday night. We came down to take out the rest of that liquidity here. All right, so that's taken. This is still intact here. And we took that piece right there. And then once you had this and you had London lows here, I think I mentioned Friday we were going to have a bullish day if we had reached down first to take the liquidity and then close up. Why? Because, I mean, we do have this imbalance that I was mentioning on the daily. And then we have this previous candle. We have that wick of yesterday. And then if you look on the 4-hour chart here, you'll see, you got a big 4-hour up candle here. So assuming that we would kind of dig into here, we retraced here at about 10 something, and then retraced back into this imbalance here. So this imbalance inversed right there and was set for another buy. Why? Because they engineered liquidity in the AM session. Let's go into a smaller time frame here, and you'll see that we opened up here, came down, lower low, lower highs, all the way down till we took liquidity. Then we came up. Obviously, I'm not trading here. This is London, but that would be great for you guys. Then we woke up here at 9:30 open, came down, took just this piece of liquidity, not that one, and then it retested Friday's low of the day. Bounced right off of that. Wasn't able to really catch this. A little slow start today, and then caught the sell on the buy here, and knew we would sell because we obviously were shooting up all the way. And then since it was struggling, we were sitting in this this zone right here with this down candle, and then we bounced right off of this weekly old gap right there. Can't miss that. To the point, took the buy there on the 1 minute. Let me go into a 1 minute. So this didn't show me what I mean. I knew it was gonna buy right here, and I wanted to take it. I didn't like it because I didn't get any confirmation. It was just too bullish, and by that time it was kind of gone, and I didn't really care. So this would have been my move 1 for the day. And then what's my move 2 look like? Well, it looks like this. I decided to wait for a structure to break right here, and then the retest up there into that. Actually, this was on a 30-second. I caught it. And then sure enough, took down. Was looking to try to take this low here, but I had a feeling it wouldn't because it was still above this imbalance right here. So this block right here would hold if it's going to stay bullish generally. So then we got liquidity taken, and then we right here, you can see right here, last candle comes right back in. Perfect buy. Love that pattern. And when you're taking this to take out this high, because when you're bullish, I mean short-term bullish, we might want to come up here, right? So that was the logic for the trade as well. And 3 drives down, taking people out, trying to catch that buy. Got to be patient and wait. And then as you see here, we're sitting in that 4-hour imbalance. That's this zone in the background here. It's light blue, and you can see we come about 50% of that. So holds as support right in there. See that? Oh, you can't see it here. Why can't you see it? Here you go. And you'll see it right there. See that? So, and then where are we going? Well, this was a minimum. This decided to do it all at the end of the day. Like, I knew they would do that. They were sitting here fucking around all day. And then I knew it would hold higher lows respecting. taking out liquidity internal at the same time, building all this liquidity, and then we taking out this 10:08 high candle right here as liquidity above, and they shoot it right at 359. That's a common thing. They like to do it like right before 4 o'clock. So give or take 5 minutes or whatever, but then fizzled out and the day's over. So tomorrow, we got CPI on Wednesday. So that's going to be, I believe they're going to hold the price up here just so CPI can get in here. That's going to be my logic. We still have this open gap here, all this. And yeah, we have this imbalance here as well. That's still plenty to fill. So we did our job on the sell side here. So what would be next mentally would be the buy side, and that would be all this up here. So as far as us retracing tomorrow, the daily candle, and keep in mind, what is your logic here? Well, if this is going to be, looking at the 15 here, if this is going to be an up candle for a daily today, then this is your fake move down with your wick of the daily candle. The body gets bullish once it goes above here. Now it's a bullish day candle. Yes, it retraced, but your end goal was to stay up here. So, and even at the least, you would still be buying today, because not only did we take out liquidity here, but we have all this price imbalance over here. So even if this was a lower high that you wanted to see price go to and sell from, this would still be a buy here. So hope that all makes sense. And then this liquidity will probably get taken tomorrow. So we're making a higher high here. Where's your higher low? Well, let's just say taking out this liquidity, getting somewhere in here maybe, and then buying up for the day. If they want to retrace it, I don't see them going this deep, but who knows? We might use tomorrow just to wipe out some of these buyers here and then shoot up. Ultimately I do see us still coming up here for Wednesday CPI. So, and we got liquidity sitting right there too, right? Part of the daily imbalance. So yeah, that's where we're at. So hope this helps. You guys take care and God bless.